This is going to be a big Al looks stupid home improvement job. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al and welcome to my backyard. Today we're doing something a little different. We're repairing my screen door. As you can see, my dogs and kids have been a little bit hard on it. And one of the items on my honey-do list has been to get this fixed. I'm going to attempt to do it myself. I've got new spline, tool for installing it, and a new section of fiberglass screen. So let's get to it. First things first, we got to get the old screen and the old spline out. I've already taken it out across the top so I could bring it with me to the hardware store. First, we've got to kind of pry one end out. This is a flat spline, kind of annoying to replace from what I've find. Once you get one end out, take our needle nose, or I guess any kind of pliers will really work, and yank. Now I'm doing this with the door still in the frame, hoping to avoid the extra aggravation of having to rehang the door, probably a pipe dream, but alright. That piece of spline is out, you get the general idea. We have a bit of a snag. On this side of the door, we have one continuous piece of spline for both screens. So that's going to complicate things a little bit. I'm going to yank the spline out up to about here, cut it off with a razor blade, and hope I can jam it back in.
A few moments later.
Alright, here we are. Cut the spline off right here. There we are. That's good. Now, take out the old bit of screen. That's garbage. Okay, so now we've got our new screen, our spline. This is what's called flat spline. If you look at it, it looks almost like an uppercase letter D. The rounded side goes in, the flat side faces out. And we've got our spline tool with a concave and convex end for rolling it in. I'm going to hang the screen so it overlaps a little bit. Okay, so we've got our spline. It is shaped like a letter D, even though it's called flat spline. Its round part needs to be facing outward. So, got our screen taped in place. Let's get her in. Convex end. Nope. It's gonna want to fight. Wow, that is really not wanting to go in. Ah, you want to use the concave end of the thing. And the tape let go. Surprise, surprise. This is going to be a big Al looks stupid home improvement job. This is why should anything be easy around here. Okay, moving along. Hang of this. what I wanted to have happen. Oh boy. Okay, so I made a little progress across the top. This is going to be slow going. You know, when you don't know what you're doing. And I'll be free to admit that maybe I should just stick to cars sometimes. Sometimes it goes like that, and let's time lapse the rest of this. Okay. Alright. It wasn't easy or fun, but the splines are in and fully reticulated. Last thing we have to do is just trim the screen with our game razor. Well, there you have it, folks. Screen door repaired. Old? New. Hope I never have to do that job again, to be honest. That was kind of miserable. So that is it for today. Hope you'll like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next installment.